Bellwork A1. I noticed a lot of students were struggling with this, so I wanted to go over one of the problems with you, at least start it with you. The first thing you want to look for are double negatives. So you want to make sure you're finding those double negatives and changing them to positive if you need to. All right, and then remember, you're only going to combine two numbers at a time, working left to right. Working left to right. So I'm going to do number 2 with you. Okay, so the first thing I look for are double negatives, which I have right here. So circle my double negatives. Now I could rewrite it as 8 minus 26 plus 10 plus 5 right away, but I'm going to save myself a step and I'm going to combine these two numbers, and then when I bring the rest of the problem down, I'll bring it down as plus 5. So put my squiggly line here to separate my 8 and my negative 26. So 8 and negative 26 are different signs, which means I'm going to subtract. 26 minus 8 is 18. 26 is the larger number, and it's negative, so this should be a negative 18. Now I bring down the rest of the problem. So I bring down plus 10, and I bring down, instead of minus negative 5, I bring down plus 5. So I kind of did 2 steps in one. I combined this, and I did that in one step. All right. Now again, two numbers at a time, working left to right. So now I'm going to combine these two numbers. That's a negative 18 and a positive 10. Negative 18 and positive 10. So the signs are different, so I subtract. And 18 is a larger number, it's negative, so it's negative 8. Bring down the plus 5. Now you're going to finish this problem. You're going to finish it by combining these two numbers. And then put your final answer down here. Okay, now I want you to notice there are 1, 2, 3 lines of work. 3 lines of work to this problem. There could have been 4, but for every single one of these problems, there should be at least 3 lines of work because you're only combining 2 numbers at a time. Combine the first 2 numbers, that leaves 3 numbers. Combine the next 2 numbers, that leaves 2 numbers, and then the final answer. So please make sure you have 3 lines of work. You're working left to right. You change your double negatives to positive, and so forth. If you have any question on Bellwork A1, please let me know.